What is the color of Ashok Chakra made in the middle of the national flag of India? The correct answer is option B, navy blue. The national song of India is The correct answer is option D, Vande Mataram. Who of the following attacked India 17 times? The correct answer is option C, Mahmud Ghazni. Who is the author of Arthashastra? The correct answer is option B, Chanakya. Which is the longest river in India? The correct answer is option C, Ganga. The borderline that separates India from Pakistan is known as The correct answer is option A, Red Cliff Line. Which Indian king was known as Devanam Priya Priyadarshi? The correct answer is option C, Emperor Ashoka. When did Mahatma Gandhi started the Dandi March? The correct answer is option D, 12th March 1930. When was India's first satellite Aryabhat launched? The correct answer is option C, 19th April 1975. Which is the longest national highway in India? The correct answer is option A, NH44. How many times has India won the Cricket World Cup? The correct answer is option B, twice. What is the national tree of India? The correct answer is option A, banyan tree. Who is the winner of first Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1969? The correct answer is option C, Devika Rani. Which is the largest state of India by area? The correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. When India declared itself a sovereign democratic and republic country? The correct answer is option D, January 26, 1950. From which state does the river Ganga originated from? The correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Which is the national reptile of India? The correct answer is option A, king cobra. What is the name of the National Space Agency of India? The correct answer is option B, ISRO. Our national song Vande Mataram was taken from which of the following novels? The correct answer is option C, Anand Math. In which year was Doordarshan established? The correct answer is option B, 15th September 1959. Who fought with Alexander in the Battle of Hydaspes? The correct answer is option D, King Poros. What is the southernmost point of India? The correct answer is option C, Indira Point. Which sea is located in the southwest of India? The correct answer is option A, Arabian Sea. Which state has the longest coastline in India? The correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Which was the first princely state taken over by Indian Army after independence? The correct answer is option C, Hyderabad. Which Indian state is the largest producer of wheat? The correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. How much ahead is India's time from Greenwich time? The correct answer is option D, 4 hours and 30 minutes. How many states are on the coastline of India? The correct answer is option D, 9. Which one of the following is a cold desert in India? The correct answer is option B, Ladakh. Which state in India shares the border with China, Nepal and Bhutan? The correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.